In this video, we will discuss some very important questions that are asked frequently in exams. So these are some particular type of questions you can see, and total there are 5 questions in this video. But on the basis of these questions, you can solve as many questions as you can get of this type. So, and a very shortcut trick will be used to solve these questions, and you can figure out the solution in just like 1 second or 2 seconds. Well, first question: the sum of 5 consecutive integers is 75. The largest number will be. Now, what does this mean? Consecutive integers means like 11, 12, 13, 14. These are consecutive integers. Okay. Well, now sum of 5 consecutive integers is 75. So what is the trick to solve this question? First, we have to find what are those 5 integers. So very easily we can find it using the shortcut trick. Divide this number by 5 and we get 15. This is the middlemost number. Okay, this is the centermost number. Since 5 number are asked, so 2 number will be more than this and 2 number will be less than this. So more than 15 numbers will be 16 and 17, and less than 15 will be 14 and 13. What is asked? The largest. Okay, keep in mind that these are 5 consecutive integers. If you add these numbers, you will get 75. Okay, so what is the largest number? 17, and option C is correct. If they had asked the smallest number, so 13 would have been the answer. In this particular case, option C is correct, 17. Okay. Now, question number 2. The sum of 5 consecutive odd numbers is 75. Now, in this case, we have consecutive odd numbers. What are consecutive odd numbers? Like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are consecutive odd numbers. Okay. Since we have to find, since we are talking about 5 consecutive odd numbers, so divide this number by 5. So what do we get? 15. 15 is an odd number, and we are also asked odd number. So we got one odd number. This is the middlemost, centermost odd number. So 2 odd numbers will be more than this because there are total 5 odd numbers, and 2 will be less than this. Now more than 15, 17 and 19, and less than 15, 13 and 11. Okay. So since largest is asked, so 19 is the answer. Again, option C is correct. And keep in mind that if you add these numbers, you will get 75. Understand? Now question number 3. The sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 80. The smallest number will be. Now in this case, we have 4 consecutive odd numbers. So we will divide this by 4. So we get 20. Now keep in mind, this 20 is not an odd number. This is an even number. It means 2 numbers will be more than this and 2 numbers will be less than this, because there are 4 numbers in total. Okay. Well, so more than 20 is 21 and 23, and less than 20, 19 and 17. And the smallest is 17. This is the answer. Understand? And keep in mind, if you add this, this, this and this, you will get 80. So all the conditions are fulfilled, and this is how we get the answer. Question number 4. The sum of 4 consecutive even numbers is 85. Now in this case, we have even number. And since we are talking about 4 consecutive even numbers, so we will divide this number by 4. What do we get? 21. Now keep in mind, 21 is not an even number. It's an odd number. It means since there are 4 consecutive even numbers, so 2 numbers will be more than this and 2 numbers will be less than this. Alright, now more than 21, what numbers are there? What even numbers? So 22 and 24. Okay, and less than 20, 20 and less than 21, 20 and 18. So if you add this, this, this and this, you will get 84. What is asked? The largest number. So 24 is the largest number. This is our answer. Okay. And now we have question number 5. The sum of 5 consecutive even numbers is 80. The smallest number will be. Now since they are talking about 5 consecutive even numbers, so we will divide this by 5, and what do we get? 16. And since 16 is an even number, it means we need now 4 more numbers. So 2 numbers will be more than this and 2 numbers will be less than this. So more than 16, and even numbers, keep in mind even numbers. So more than 16, there is 18 and there is 20. Less than 16, there is 14 and there is 12. And the smallest number is 12. So this is our answer. I hope you have understood this. If there is any doubt, do ask me in comment box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.